Tip 90. Vacation versus holiday. USA. Holiday. Specific day or period of days when work or school is suspended for a special occasion like Christmas or Thanksgiving. Vacation. Period of time away from work or school, often for leisure, travel, or relaxation, taking extended time off. UK. Holiday. Period of time away from work or school for leisure, travel, or relaxation. It can also refer to a specific day or period of days when work or school is suspended, like a public holiday. Vacation. Not commonly used in British English. Tip 90. Exercise. Complete as suggested. My last vacation was wonderful. I spent almost 30 days traveling. First, we went by train from Barcelona to Paris. We spent almost 8 hours traveling, but the landscape is wonderful, especially in the Alps. Then we flew to São Paulo, Brazil. We spent a week in São Paulo. It was very enlightening. I never believed São Paulo was so cosmopolitan. Then another flight to Recife, which I must confess surprised me to be a so modern city. We only stayed in Recife for 3 days and then another flight to Fernando de Noronha. And that's when my vacation became spectacular. Diving, relaxing, eating, and drinking. Wonderfully, until the day we made our way back. I must confess that I had no desire to go back. Please subscribe to the channel not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.